Okay, here we are at 19 Raiha Street. We have gone down through the, cleaned out the two manholes over here, the two gullies that was discharging over there. We've gone up through the gully. Now the haunchings and everything inside the manhole are a little bit sharp, so they seem to be blocking down here with a big load of toilet paper. That's coming down the drain, that's coming back up, inspection there, so, as you can see, our gullies here, there's some more stuff coming down from the toilet which we can flush out. Our blockage was from there, down, on our right, down by the manhole, that's all been relined, one stage, some stage. Alrighty. This is the manhole. You can see that's where we turned. So this is where we were all blocked up when we arrived. Alright, thank you.